Hey Tower Hands, Kathy Gill. Let's learn how to fix a hoist of the rope when it gets wrapped around the drum. There have been numerous instances where the capstan winch is not aligned, causing ropes to become overturned on the drum, and instead of immediately attempting to realign this capstan winch, let's consider the following quick tips. Number 1, aim this capstan winch to be 7 to 10 degrees off the leg you're rigging from. Number 2, ensure that every capstan winch is equipped with a progress capture device. This Liberty Third winch is an excellent option as it integrates the progress capture device into this piece of equipment. Number 3, align the drum correctly to the tower. Attach a hand ascender, a Prusik, or a Rescuscender to the ropes that is wrapped over the drum, and then use a 4-in-1 or come along or a device connected to the back of the truck to pull enough slack. And then number 4, once that capstan is aligned correctly, release the mechanical advantage by slightly stepping on that pedal, and this action will cause the rotation around the drum to provide enough slack to release the equipment. You'll be ready to resume rigging safely. Thank you for watching the Toolbox Topics by Towersafety. Rig on, my friends.